Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, simultaneous equation or linear equation in two variables. You have studied linear equation in one variable. Can you give an example? Yes. X is equal to 5 or y is equal to root 3. So what is the general form of linear equation one variable? As ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Now we are going to study about linear equation in two variables. Linear means straight. If you draw the graph of linear equation, it will be a straight line. Equation, you know already, variables have different values, you know that. Okay, I have some chocolates in the bag, some dairy milk and Nestle Classic. It is the total number of chocolates is 30. Can you find how many dairy milk and Nestle Classic are there? Okay, let us form an equation. Let the number of Cadbury dairy milk be x and number of Nestle Classic be y. Then x plus y is equal to 30. Still, you cannot find how many dairy milk and Nestle Classic are there. Otherwise, you have to count it there in the bag. So, first equation is x plus y is equal to 30. It's not enough. So, if I give a clue, number of dairy milk is double than the number of Nestle Classic, then say x is equal to 2y. And second equation. That's why it is called simultaneous. Two equations are equal. Now, if we substitute second equation the first, 2y plus y is equal to 30 or 3y is equal to 30. Therefore, y is equal to 30 upon 3. That is 10. Okay. Now, we know number of Nestle Classics. Substitute that value, the second equation, x is equal to y. So, x is equal to 2 into 10, 20. That means the number of parameters is 20. So, the solution is number of dairy milk is 20 and number of Nestle Classic is 10. So, that is why we can solve the puzzle. Now, I am going to give another example. The age of Sonu exceeds age of Seema by 5 years. Can you form an expression? This expression in the form of an equation. Let the age of Sonu be m and that of Seema be n. Then m minus n is equal to 5. This Now let us form a general equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, x and y are variables, and a or b should not be is equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Yes. Here is x is 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3 is a linear equation. That's the question. Can be the answer. 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Is it a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. Next question. Write 2x is equal to 3 in the form of linear equation in two variables. Can you write it? 2x is equal to 3 in the form of linear equation in two variables. Yes, we can write it as 2x plus 3, 2x plus 0y is equal to 3, or 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0. Next question. Write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and find a, b, c. First question. X plus 3y is equal to 6. See the answer. The equation can be written as x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now comparing with x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay. Next question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 0.75. You can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 0.75 is equal to 0. If comparing with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 0.75. Next question. X minus 7 is equal to root 2y. So the answer, the equation can be written as x minus 7 minus 2 root 2y is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus root 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Okay. Next type of questions. Write each of the following as equations in two variables. First question is x is equal to minus 3. Can we write this as equation in two variables? Here only one variable is the x. Yes, x plus 0y is equal to minus 3, or it can be written as x plus 0y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can see exercise questions. See the exercise question. First question is, cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. State that take the cost of notebook as x and then by. So it is easy only, no? Cost of notebook is twice, means 2 times. That is x is equal to 2y. Or it can be written as x minus 2y is equal to 0. Second question, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And indicate the value of a, b, c in each case. First question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.3 bar 5. Yes, the equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 9.3 root 3 bar 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.3 bar 5. Next, second one, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Here it is in the standard form. No? So x is equal to 1, x coefficient 1, therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 upon 5 and c is equal to minus 10. Third question, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So it can be written as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. Okay. Next question, fourth question, x is equal to 3y. So the question can be written as x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. And the remaining questions you do as a homework. Now today what we have learned is linear equation in two variables. Standard form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Linear means straight. Right? So where a, b and c are real numbers, either a or b should not be equal to 0, and power of x and y be 1. That is the general form. And we have seen linear equation one variable, two variables, how to express in the standard form and to find a, b, c. For this how found. So linear equation is also known as simultaneous equation because two equations we need to solve it. Okay. Now next is assignment, home assignment. Some questions, right? do this as homework. First question, cost of a book exceeds the cost of a pen by rupees 20. Express the statement as a linear equation. Take the screenshot and write answers. Second question, write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by c is equal to 0. First question is 3x is equal to 2y. Second question, 3x plus ky is equal to 4. Okay, do understood now? Do the homework, submit it.